Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my competitive math session. Today, I will explain one of the most important question that has asked in many government exam. The question is 3 to the power n plus 2 minus 3 to the power n plus 1 divided by 3 to the power n plus 4 plus 3 to the power n plus 1. Find the value of this expression. So what you have to do, you know one formula, famous formula, that is, if x to the power m into x to the power n, if base is same and power are different, so are and both the terms are in multiplication, so the power will be add, that means x to the power m plus n. You can write 3 to the power n plus 2 here. 3 to the power n plus 1 into 3 to the power 1, because x to the power m into x to the power n equals to x to the power m plus n. That means n plus 1 equals to n plus 2. So you can take here 3k power n plus 1 common, because here is 3k power n plus 1. So if you will take common 3k power n plus 1, 3k power n plus 1, you will get here 3k power 1, because here only 3k power 1 will remain. And here is 3k power n plus 1, that means minus 1. And in denominator, if you will take 3k power n plus 1 common, 3k power n plus 1 common, here will be 3k power 3 plus 1. Why? Because you can write 3k power n plus 4 equals to 3k power n plus 1 into 3k power 3. That means 3k power n plus 1 plus 3 equals to 3k power n plus 4. So if you will take here also 3k power n plus 1 common, you will get 3k power 3, and here is 3k power n plus 1. So plus 1. Now you can cancel 3k power n plus 1 and 3k power n plus 1. Here you will get 3k power 1 minus 1 equals to 2 divided by 3k power 3 plus 1, 27 plus 1, 28, and 1 by 14 will be the answer for this question, and that is option C is correct. If you will see the next question, that is also one most important question. Question is x equals to y to the power a, and y equals to z to the power b, and z equals to x to the power c. Then find the value of a, b, c. Here is z to the power x. Z equals to x to the power c. Z equals to x to the power c. Now what you have to do? Here x equals to y to the power a. You have to put this value of x here. So you will get y to the power a and whole to the power c. That means y to the power ac. Z equals to y to the power ac. Now the value of y equals to z to the power b. So now you have to put the value of y here. So you will get here z to the power b whole to the power ac equals to z. That means z equals to z to the power abc. Here z equals to z to the power abc, here z to the power 1. If both the side of equals to, the bases are same, so it means power will also same. That means abc equals to 1, and 1 is option A is correct.